leave you with this one little message here. Grandson, some if you come, we'll put up this stand film. I'm going to do one video about you. Auntie, guy. I said when this man show me where I'm going to do the video about you about. And him show me some video where you do since Saturday, Sunday, and yesterday, Tina. Tina, your life is numbered. Remember, say, speak to my grandson. Grandmother, I tell you, say, your life is numbered. Tina, I can't believe say you're so wicked, Tina. Tina! Why you so cruel to human being, Tina? Tina! Is this the same woman who you send condolence to and you put up all kind of things for your post, Tina? Tina! Why you doing this, Tina? Tina, it don't look funny, no, Tina. Tina, no, sir. You're going to have something to tell Father God, Tina. Tina, it don't look good. Tina, this is me, my grandson. Grandmother, I talk to you, man. It don't look good, man. You can't send out condolence to the lady. And after you're sending out condolence to the lady, you come out and make up big things out of it, Tina. Tina, me say it don't look good. Tina, when I see this video of the past, because you cannot deny it, Tina, me always your grandson say, all your archive and evidence are there to prove all the things that you have done, Tina. And when him show me this video, Tina, me I tell you people, speak to my people, I want my grandson come talk to me here. Because trust me, hey girl, you're a wicked ass! Hey, Tina, you're a wicked bitch! Hey, Tina, you're a wicked puss! Hey, Tina, I don't want to road to my grandson people them pie, you know. Because I know him have a lot of respect to the people out here. And a lot of people also respect me, you know, Tina. Tina, I don't want ass. Hey, Tina. Hey, grandson, come take your ass. Hey, come take this ass. Send me the grandson because, oh, you're getting a spirit, Tina. Your days are numbered, Tina. Tina, me say your days are numbered. Grandson, tell us the archive is out there and all the evidence of you million and 12 people is out there. And then you come here and you play a victim, Tina. Tina, if I ever buck you, Tina, my whole days here at 95 years old, Tina, I show you what a whole woman can do. What the hell the whole woman can do. What the hell the whole woman can do. I'm looking at your face, keep come back you. And if you call the police, what the police can do. Tell me, T-girl, what the police can do. Maybe kick in your face and box in your maybe thump out your teeth. Hey, Tina, you know me, Tina. Tina, right now, I don't feel good, but when I see no Tina. Tina, me going to cry over when I see no Tina. Hey, Tina, grandson. Come on, come take this from me. Hey, people, never go for yourself, you know, we gone. Me gone, me people, me gone. Come, me can't take no more, Tina. Me can't take it.
What's up, Speak My Mind family? How are you going? How are you going over here? Me show grandma something. And grandma run off of the car porch like she mad. And say, come, give me camera, me go put it up. Which way you want? Me I say, me I go and need the tree there, so. How are grandma? Grandma upset because from yesterday, you know, me there, me a reason with grandma and me a sure, you know, me I say, boy, grandma, that woman here, before you even born and you're 95, she dey on social media mail around people. And grandma could have tell me who me attack. She said the one where they fire in a baker talk about she better than her in a baking and she better one man of England and Chris. Me say she see one the baker girl where they call T-Dog and T-This and T-Tara. She said, then a long time that the woman they born with her heart corrupted, man. So me I say, grandma, I want to you. Every day you prove to me more and more, say in a social media, you hide and do it, grandma say hide and do. Me only do it when me have time. And through you, me support the system and go through it and do what me have to do. So me kind of keep up with what I go on. And the same people them where you are trouble and you are make dissecting over, me follow them and look upon them and see where them are going with. So me abreast away you are talk about when time you attack. Me say, grandma, but when me go show grandma this a video, ya people, grandma get mad and say this a girl will play a victim every day. And all the while me hear you talk about the archive and the evidence that is out there on her. So how she go on like people that tell lie on her? Kingston 13, big up yourself. 13, big up yourself. Because somebody send me this. And now for your page it come like it come from 13. big up yourself. You have to give what due to Caesar. I don't know where you get this from, if you did have it in your archive or somebody send it from out of feed them archive. But people, you know, see how T-girl come out and a go on. At first, how she posts up all kind of negativity where the woman passing is concerned. Within Saturday night to Sunday, and then after Monday to Tuesday evening, Monday evening to Tuesday morning, everything changed. She write like how is a eulogy she write. Talk about support, I tell her to write this and write that. And she come out and say, oh, you know, saying all the lady Antigua say, you know, must join forces. And you know, sending a condolence, and now I'm sending it. We don't need it from you, Tina, because we know you. We tell you, so we have your file and your evidence, you know. If me not have it, somebody have it, other person, they have it, other person, they have it, Tina. Jesus Christ, people, the all who just join social media in this diaspora. I don't know, I've heard of T-girl. As a matter of fact, I heard of T-girl in this Opal saga. See evidence here on the run come. Run come, gather up all who not here. All who not here and who not know who they think a lie we are tell when time we are talk. Say the girl half of make the woman lose her job. What me say? Or when me juice there, you know what on. Make her grease my throat. Make her grease my throat, the people. Calls. When you time you're thirsty, you just get a Calls. Fruit juice. Oh, sorry, it mixed with artificial. But it drink good. You see, when it's well cold, you think a natural fruit juice you drink. Big up Mr. Carlton Watson. Man like them, they forget free promotion. Big up Carlton Watson. Me never get $1 from you. And me never get nothing from you. In a corona. But as me say, me never forget nothing from nobody. To big them up. And show them gratitude. You understand? This man has done a lot. The individuals. Especially in the horse racing fraternity where own a whole heap of horse. Yes, man, trainers and groomies and other owners can tell you about him. He gives back a lot, packages on top of packages of his products. So people, want to support people like them, they will give back. Them now have to sit down and wait till rich guys come out and say, okay, give me a money to give to this or give me this to donate to that. Them see to them hard to donate to the less fortunate. Calls manufacturing. Support them things. Support Calls manufacturing. You have Calls ketchup, Calls syrup, Calls bully beef, Calls everything. Support. Them man give back to the needy. Anyway, wanna know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and hit the thumbs up on the video. I'm pleased to watch your ads and continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV, go ahead and subscribe now. And remember, Tamika Douglas and Life with Gabby and Chevy, them in the comment section. Give them a subscription. Today's the last day. I'm gonna say nothing go on last week and nothing go on this week. Nothing go on. Life with Gabby and Chevy stuck from last week on 788. And can't reach 790 I know. And I just 2 more make that. Not to mention 12. If you make 800 subscribers and she sit down and wait for the next 200. Wanna do something for me now, man? Help me if you help them now. Alright? Anyway. Wanna draw a chair? Have a look at water, cause sometimes when the mouth go run dry, you go want cuss, you go want do everything. So here what happen. Listen up. All the evidence is here, people. All the evidence. It's the same deceased Opal Harper Jackson she attack. You know, listen.
I can't cry anything in a Opal. I can't cry anything in a I can't bawl from a sinner say Opal I got club. You know that, right?
You hear her? She can't cry anything. Meaning, she can farm any form of accusation against her. Implicating her in any form of wrongdoing or anything. Because of her job. You hear her? She can't cry anything. So if you don't understand when she say can't cry anything and feel like a I know that she mean. Because someone might hard to pick up, someone might hard to understand, and someone might not Jamaican, someone not understand Jamaican slang and talk. When she say she can't cry anything, she means she can't cry any foul play upon her. Oh no, listen, this is after past, you know, this is long before. So the JetBlue one not hear about and the Delta, the airline business, whether JetBlue or Delta, this is it. Oh no, listen, are the evidence this.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, I can. I can say Opal will kill me. Oh my God, Opal will kill me. I can, okay. I don't care. More topic, more followers, more likes, more shares, more sales.
You hear? Oh no hear. Oh no hear where she want to swap the woman job for. Oh no just listen, you know. More likes, more shares, more topics, more sales. That she want to swap the woman job for, you know. For false allegation, you know, just see the woman lose her job through the woman associate herself with 99, you know. And I carry 99 cake to America, you know. But yet still, this are the same thing, you know. We come out a cuss Chef Noel, oh, him not support the woman and him know her from 2013 and him never post nothing for her and she eat and she have bills to pay and she have picnic for this and she have whatsoever for do and way. So when you really think of this, the woman lose her job back then, you never consider all of this, the woman have her bills to pay and her life to live. You never consider that. Oh, with your false allegation that you want to draw against the woman because of her job, you know, say her job description is very delicate in certain things. You understand? You try to stick up the woman.
They can talk about me all they
But
want.
nothing at all.
So they talk about me. If I feel like I want to respond, I will. What do we want from my life? Huh?
What Opal could I want from you? From Opal, me know Opal. Opal show the person where she is. From me know Opal, Opal has been showing herself as a hard worker. From me coming on phone, and Opal has known to me through Dana program and Dana platform. I have seen this woman as a hard worker. You understand? I have never seen you, even during them same time when me know she, me I know you, as work as hard as how Opal work. Opal is a go-getter. Opal is always want to be out there earning her own. Sometimes to me, I wonder if it is profitable to her. You understand? But she must know how she work out for her things. You understand? And then probably she should work with the airline, you know. Certain expense kind of cut because of traveling wise from back and forth to carry this thing. But this woman is so much of a hard worker that this woman, people can depend on her to get hard forget things in Jamaica to carry back to America we cannot get in America. And up to the day or the hours before she passed, we all see that. Because she was at a mango farm. You think she go buy mango for eat? No. She go buy mango for sell back. To do what she does best. I never ever see her like this. All the business where you talk about, I have never seen shown like this before. So Opal don't really have no time for you. But you did just grudge Opal and get envy of Opal all because of who she associate with. But people, the point of this video, you know, this is of the past. This is a couple of years ago. And look on this woman now in her phone. This is why I'm telling you she use psychology. You understand? But this time around she messed up. Because normally she would have come out and send the condolences first and pretty up things and write her long line of episode, of paragraph and all kind of something. And then should I get to the nitty-gritty now and yeah, she starts, oh, I know you don't like me, you know, but I have to do this. Yeah, should I get done? But she start at first and start write all the little silly things, negative things. She take it on our next platform, which is Same So TV, to go even harder, as we can see. So this video is just to prove, to show you who we are dealing with. So this girl will stare you in the eye and make you feel like she's with you. But as you go so and take your eye off her, you know where that happened to you. Oh, you hear them say? In the back. In the back. Alright, with the knife.
I think so this girl has somebody. I think so she so she lose her brain cells too. Hmm? Oh no, as a customer,
Opal is always
Delta,
somebody over you.
I don't feel
Since me know the
comfortable
tone in
knowing
a
that
social
she's
media.
working for the company. I'm gonna be a Karen. You know, the white Karen, you know, I'm gonna be one of those people, you know, the people they call Karens, you know. I'm gonna be one of them. Oh no, I'm not flying Delta. I will never fly Delta again because they have somebody like Opal working there. And she wants to tear down my business. And every day I see her, I just get, oh.
And you is just one out of a million or thousands of people with Fly Delta have this problem with this woman. You feel like Delta is just going to take that and don't consider, okay, is this something personal? Well, most of them airliner are them big business places. One little report still based upon the nature of the report and the position where the person hold and the years of service of the person. If them feel like them can just run and get you out without having to pay you any money, so be the case. But if you hold certain position or certain years of service so them can't run go do that, come on. You think them might just come run out the woman just because of you? But at the same time, the woman never want her name tarnished. And it has been said allegedly that because of you threatening to write your letter to our airline, which is the company that you work with, she think about it and she resign. All because of she want to keep her service. Her years of service, where she forget for her compensation, she want to keep it intact. So she do the best thing in resign to her. So you're so evil you is. Despite you never end up report this woman for she lose her job, you force the woman to make a decision. Your time numbered. The whole of we have a time, you know. But you're one reduce. Trust me. You can't so devil in a life for so much years and still continue to want to be devil. You're going to buck up in a somewhere. Yes, man, you're going to buck up in a somewhere.
I'm so traumatized by it to know that they have a stewardess.
You hear the
by
actor?
name of
Just listen and try to act it
Harper,
out.
who is going around on social media cyberbullying me because I have a small business. And she's talking all this shit about my business, and I really don't like it because I'm a small business and I'm a businesswoman and I fly Delta all the time.
So I don't know who not deal with. I want to hear who not deal with.
And I
I want to
don't
see
want
who
it
not
where
deal
one day
with.
I'm flying
No
on
normal
Delta,
person.
Opal is my stewardess, and she might serve me something that's not healthy.
They will go to the
I don't like
lowest
that.
level
As a member of the public
for
and as a
simple
customer of
things
Delta, I really don't
to disrupt
appreciate
people's
that.
life.
I really don't appreciate that. You know? I really don't appreciate that. I really don't.
Hey, Father God, mother like Dede when fear day come.
I mean, as a frequent flyer of Delta, I really don't appreciate her.
Mother want the side her when you
social
call
media
her.
bashing my business.
Yeah
My
man.
small business.
I want the side her when you call her.
You know?
Whether in
I'm just a
natural
person
life
who is just
or
trying to
in a
start,
second life.
life, trying to rebuild my life. And here we have this woman who works for Delta Airlines bashing my business, trying to knock food out of my mouth.
But it's true you go call her soon. Me nah go there. You go call her to the front of the line soon, but me nah go there.
I'm here trying to rebuild my
Cause you're not
life
ready for
as
me
a
yet.
decent citizen in America, and I fly Delta often. And here, this stewardess person who works for the airline that I fly often is trying to insult and degrade my business, insult me and slander my business. I really don't appreciate that. You see how people can get themselves in trouble? By just minding their business? You just want to be a part of something.
What do man want to be a part of? Me know. If Opal even it come out, because as I said, me might not have the full history or might not remember everything. But if Opal ever come out and even say something pertaining to you It's because you involve her. And we know the reason why you would have involved her is because she associates with 99. So you want to come and poke somebody and people must just sit down and take the poke? Some people will. Some people won't. And some will only take it for as long as they can take it. So at no time you want somebody to rebut you. At no time you want somebody to confront you. Once you poke people, man, you have to expect anything. Expect the unexpected. Not you're sure the person. Expect the unexpected. Not you're sure the person. Oh, this person is not going to come out on me and I'm going to just poke her. I'm going to push everything down her throat and choke her. And when them come out against defending themselves now, you're surprised. You never look feet because, oh, these are not people who's going to come out at me, but I'm going to drag her into it. I'm going to jog her into the mud. So you make it look like Opal recognize you that much that she just come in between where you are trying to create an animosity between Dana. Opal are going to just come and bite out because this is how you make it look, you know. When everybody will associate with Dana, this is how you draw them into things. If you even know them before, where social media is concerned and them dip on your platform and them decide say, okay, them going to support and them stay neutral with you and that person, it's like you tell them to pick a side. And as soon as you see them start coming on the other platform, you figure more and less, oh, you and that person is not friend, so from you and that person is not friend and them gone over there, okay, I don't need no friends from you. That's how you behave in a phone. And then what you do now, you start turning your attention to that person. How? Look on the boy there. Look on the girl. She used to sit up on my platform and she used to type up on me and her. And I me this and I me that. And I look one day and I look and I see her over there, sir. And I see him over there, sir. And at this, so you start go against the people them. For no reason. And remember, you know, the people them just neutral. The people them now pick no side. Them support you, them support she, them support him, them support. You understand? But you just want the people them to support you alone. From them say you or just you alone. Because me never know say you pick them. You can't chat to none of your three pitting them when me know you have. Like that. You understand? When CJ they run you have to be careful. When you are on the live, you have to depend. Because you don't know what I'm going to say, you don't know what I'm going to do. If you even want to say something to him, you're afraid. So all you want to come out and come chat to adults. Chat to people where you don't even know personally. Tell them what to do, who to support and who not to support. So on stay in the world, most of you. You just, hey, what am I tell you?
Suppose I sit down and pen a letter. Suppose I pen a letter.
So this is I never lie.
Pen a letter, Opal. I'm going to be wicked. Let me guess. You're going to call me wicked if I pen a letter. If I pen a letter and show where you are pretty much coercing certain things, I'm wrong, right? I'd be evil and I'd be playing victim, right?
You're born, so. You don't have to ask somebody, I saw you're born. Dangerous, man. You're terribler than a venomous fish or a venomous snake.
This is America, Opal. Don't play me.
Me not think lionfish venomous like you. You're terrible,
I
woman.
don't do anything to you. I don't bother you.
People always a trouble you. Who you? Where you have, so?
I wonder exactly.
What is your achievement for people always just want to go at you?
Like how she's coming after mine. Would I be wicked? Exactly, Wendy. This is why I no longer have feelings for these people. Anything I'm going to do, I do it. And I am going to pen the letter. I am going to pen the letter.
You hear? So it wasn't any question asked if she should do it, or it was just word of mouth. She said she's going to. She is going to. So on the earphone herself. So all of who just come around this little circle, or who they a long time and a member of it or hear of it, this is it. This is not yesterday or day before yesterday, or last week before, just before the lady deceased. This is a long time. A few years, I don't remember if I 2-3 years ago, somewhere there so. You understand what I say to you? So you see, say when time people attack, say evidence are there. Oh, just come over here and feel like, say, oh, them just make up that. She can't so cruel. She can't so devil. A lie you not tell upon the girl. A lie you not tell upon her. No, some would have to see them the evidence. You have to hear them the evidence there. You not hear for yourself now. 13, I don't know where you get it, but you have to get the big up because the person will send me to half a year page. So you have to get the big up. So anyway you want to get it in a business. The fact remain, this is the evidence of what did said from the horse's mouth about penning letter to make the woman lose her job at her airline where she work with. And then you come out here like, oh, I am having such sympathy. I'm sympathizing with the family. And remember, me do it and come out here this and that about. And it's still the woman at Antigua and the whole and I say people for just come and show them condolences and we don't need your one. Because your one is not coming from nowhere clean. When that has been said, it means from people who heart is clean. Me you cannot see eye to eye, you know, but my heart clean. Me don't have nothing, me don't have vindictive feelings I carry for you. Me you just not see eye to eye and we just go with separate ways and we just avoid each other. So we won't have no confrontation. We won't have no debate about when me say it's wrong or when you say it's wrong or when you say it's right and me say it's right. We just go away. So we just neutral, but we don't have no vindictive feelings I carry. So if tomorrow morning something happen to you, I have to give you a call and say, boy, I get well soon. I'm going to give you the call and say, get well soon. And that's it again. You understand? But like you, we have a corrode heart. Like when them find piece of steel and a sea bottom and it corroded with all kind of shell and rust. The way the salt water do it and barnacles. That's how your heart covered. So we can never accept what you are give. And I'm going to say it again, the cousin will come by your platform, the so-called alleged cousin. Because we know you still good at you type up that I get someone to type up that and talk about your cousin because you wanted to give your post that you have made a strong angle. Okay, a family member can accept it. Why can't? What? If a family member accepts it, I don't need to listen to Uno. I'm not going to remove that post. That post is going to stay. So how can you do it just to give yourself a strong angle on your post where you make? Because we know your post now come from a good heart.
And show where she is attempting to knock food out of my mouth. With her true ones. Like a penduletta. I guarantee you that I will.
So they get the guarantee also.
I don't appreciate it. I don't know her from anywhere. Why would she do something like that?
Anything Opal do, you push her to do it. You get her involved in your mess.
She don't care if she loses her job. Huh? So
You's a damn poker, you know. You is a poker. So what me hey? Me just say man, me not remember nothing. And me might not know what happened. But me just say imagine. Knowing the person where we are dealing with there. So me just say imagine whatever she have done, or she just poke Opal. So whatever Opal say or do is because of she poke Opal. If Opal did do or say something. Because we know who we are dealing with, man. We don't idiot out here, you know. This is a damn poker we are dealing with. And then make it look like say you is the one who mail around her. When she stay behind the wall and she bend down and she throw the stone them. And she throw the stone them and she bend down and she throw the stone them. And she bend down and she throw the stone them. And she come peep over the man's face. And she come back come say yes the man out there beat up him woman. And she yes. And then it make it look like she not say nothing. Victim. She always play that. When she are the troublemaker.
Of what you're doing, because if you're going to blatantly admit that you do not care if you lose your job, or it's nothing if you lose your job, you're well aware of what you're doing. Your behavior is very questionable then. Get corporate on you right now, because I've said I used to work in the airline industry too, Opal. And I'm sure character is a big thing for the airline, especially.
Hey, I want to know, you know. I don't think I can see another person in a social media, yes, sir. We have the amount of people we sit and wait for your demise. I mean, not talk about just lose. We not talk about life now. A demise where probably, you know, you suffer a lot of pain. That type of divide. Yeah, you know? Yeah, man, that type of demise there. Me know a lot, the amount of people sit down and wait for you to fall. And remember now, none of these people do it off of their own free will. You force them to do it. You force a Christian to sit down and wait for your demise. Yeah, man, a whole lot of people out there will serve God. Godly. True to God. Can't wait to see your demise. And as me say, we're not talking about unalive now. We are talking about just to see you. I suffer some, you know, some form of grief. And as me say, you cause that. Enough of these people don't just get up and just hate you like that. Enough of them.
When you're working on the front line, working in customer service, yeah, character is a big deal. Now, why would
You never know that when you thief the people their money. You never know when you thief sprint money. Say character is a big deal when you thief sprint money.
Now, based on your behavior, it would be fair to say that your character should be called into question. Because if you're guilty of sitting here on social media bashing a small business for no reason at all, what else are you capable of doing as a stewardess? What else are you capable of doing? Inquiring minds would like to know. What else are you capable of doing? If you are so brave to blatantly come on social media and take aim at my small business that's feeding and clothing me and paying my bills in these hard times, my honest living, right? What else are you capable of doing? What else are you capable of doing?
I remember now, you know, this is a makeup story, you know. Just to get at the woman, you know. You understand? So she come publicly with this makeup story to make the public know that this is the reason why I am going to pen a letter. You understand? To our company. She just create the reason. I never see another. I don't think I will ever see another like you. Trust me. I will never ever see another like you.
Put two and two together, people. Your character is very much called into question here.
You're one calling into question day upon top of day. This is the same woman where you are big up, you know. Since she deceased, you know. After you do all of what you're doing and create all the animosity on your page, them, you know. Write up all kind of things, you know, on your page, them, you know. Are the same woman this way you talk to, you know. The person where you say seems to be a nice person, you know.
Right now, because I've said.
Are the same person, man. Jesus, peace, Father God. Take the case. As a matter of fact, they call it pillar too. Not just take the case, take a pillar too. Because if you take a case and left me with the pillar, I'm going to force you to look at another case and I might end up back with the same pillar case. So take a case and take the pillar, Father God. People, bless upon yourselves. Me just come out for show now. So all of you people who might just come in this circular area, when you know the history and just a catch on, this is a part of the history. This is a part of the area we are talking about since the passing of Opal. Where this girl write letter. And if she not take, well, I guess she take off a few of them off of the page she write already. When you just go up on her page, she have a lot of page on Facebook. Right? And she have the same so TV. And just go up on them and look. Between Saturday and Monday, all the posts them she make. All the signals that she has sent. until you know the last come say yesterday, which is Monday evening to Tuesday morning. The difference of her. And tell me if this is somebody where anybody would want to trust. And this is the evidence that the same woman where she are going like, oh, she feel it for her and it's her condolences and life this and life that. Should have want this woman to lose her life long time. Speak my mind, people. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of the channel. Life is a Mission TV. Remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy. Tamika Douglas is in the comment section pin. Go ahead and give them a subscription. And the cash app you ask, sorry to get it down there. $ Life is a Mission TV. You give me, I take the gift and give back to the needy, not the greedy. Bless upon yourself. I'm out. Be careful. Watch your surrounding. Be careful of friends, family, even your own picnic. Human being can be so corrupt and vicious. I want to know about this every day. Take heed. Learn from a next man experience. Don't wait till the experience reach you. Them time that will be too late. And when it's too late, everything gone through the gate. You understand? So nobody wait. Just do what you have to do. Wait is a very everything. Bless upon yourself.